family. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. So today we're gonna get inspired by a new Bobbi Boss glueless wig. Yay! And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. I'm always a fan of Bobbi Boss wigs because they always get it right. If it's a crazy color or it's a construction or if it's gorgeous waves, they always have it down. So this wig, I can't handle it because it is something that I have never seen before. So with that, it is a 13x7 extended lace. So that's even better than your classic, even large 13x6. So it is like really merging onto like the true human hair wigs. Also, it has a pre-plucked natural hairline. Also, it has baby hairs already cut, amazing. And then one of the most amazing things, I just cannot handle it, is that it actually has an elastic band already attached in for extra security. Like, this is such a great feature. Once you have an elastic band, if you put them in your wigs already, but this already has it on here, it's just a game changer for having the wig feel very secure onto your head. So let's just, since I'm talking about this amazing construction, let's just take a look at it. So she does have medium colored lace right here, and just look at all of this lace. It is like a dream sent from above. And speaking of the front, as you can see those gorgeous baby hairs and how it is already like pre-plucked out gorgeously. Like literally there isn't much to do with this. And then as for the actual combs for the construction, there's actually two combs kind of like in the middle of the wig because there's so much lace in the actual cap construction. And then there is a comb right in the back right here, but she does have a medium wig cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. Now let's just also look at these gorgeous waves. Oh my gosh, I just cannot wait to brush these gorgeous waves out and see what kind of look she's going to give. She is definitely this kind of warmer, like very light honey blonde. And then she does have, as you saw before, brown root right here, which is really nice. This wig is also heat resistant as well. So if you do want to change or correct any of the curls, you're more than welcome to do it with that. Also, she is a human hair blend, which is very exciting. And she just feels great. So let's actually put this girl on and see what she's really all about. So I'll actually be using some wig caps that I did get from Ebonyline right here. These really great deluxe wig caps. I'm excited to try this because I normally use the Amazon ones and these seem a little bit more deluxe. Alright, so I put my wigs on front to back. And wow, here she is. Look at these amazing curls. So let's take a look at the hairline and see what we're working with. So again, so she has really nicely pre-plucked hairline, as you can see. So there really isn't much to do to customize her. She's basically ready to go. And she does seem extra secure with that extra elastic band in the back. Really feels great. And then of course for the actual parting right here, look at that deep 7 inches. I mean, that is serious, like crazy serious. I just love it. It looks so real. Okay, so let's cut off the lace. All right, the lace is all cut off. Now, I'm really excited to brush her out as I'm feeling she's giving some Beyonce vibes. So I'm gonna take my wig brush right here and lightly brush her out. And wow, Beyonce has just entered the building. I absolutely love these big, luscious waves right here. It is like a little dream if you ask me. Really loving the volume, and the length for me is perfect. All brushed out to around 22 inches, which is a great daily wig wear length for me. Really love it. And you know, she had, you know, pretty medium to light shedding considering there is a lot of lace with this girl. So very good right there. So now, since she has this really great, amazing parting. This is free parting. So let's change it and move her all around and see what kind of looks that she can give. Okay, so here's from creating a deep part on the left eyebrow right here. So this is definitely a doable look. Really, really like that. That's very easy to do. Okay, so let's change it on the other side. And here she is on the other side. Definitely I'd spend more time on creating a parting if I was going to be keeping it on either side. But definitely look how amazing this is. Also, this be a really great wig that if you wanted to do some braiding or wanted to do something really, really fun, if you're artistic with hair, as she has such a very, very large parting. I'm really in love with this wig. I really feel like the elastic band, if you've never tried it, is such a game changer with wearing a wig because it just feels like on your head, like it's not going anywhere. And really there's no need to glue down really when you have the elastic band. So of course this wig is from Ebonyline.com. Definitely check that out and definitely check out this wig in multitude of colors. So I want to know, do you have this wig? Or if you have this wig in another color, I would seriously love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, life is short. Wear a wig and have fun. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in a Beyonce inspired wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we